What is the one word for a devoted follower or assistant? The correct answer is acolyte. What is the one word for working or spreading in a hidden and usually injurious way? The correct answer is insidious. What is the one word for doing or producing good? The correct answer is beneficent. What is the one word for open to two or more interpretations? The correct answer is equivocal. What is the one word for contain or include? The correct answer is subsume. What is the one word for an ancestor in the direct line? The correct answer is progenitor. What is the one word for any system of principles or beliefs? The correct answer is credo. What is the one word for a person or thing to be imitated, ideal model? The correct answer is exemplar. What is the one word for a trinket thought to be a magical protection against evil? The correct answer is talisman. What is the one word for suggestive of youth, vigorous and fresh? The correct answer is vernal. What is the one word for do something that one considers to be below one's dignity? The correct answer is deign. What is the one word for having existed from the beginning? The correct answer is aboriginal. What is the one word for a person who is voluntarily absent from home or country? The correct answer is expatriate. What is the one word for a formal statement of a command to do something? The correct answer is mandate. What is the one word for the trait of being unmanageable or uncooperative? The correct answer is recalcitrance. What is the one word for the power to foresee the future? The correct answer is prescience. What is the one word for an interruption in the intensity or amount of something? The correct answer is hiatus. What is the one word for violent and needless disturbance? The correct answer is mayhem. What is the one word for the state or quality of having infinite knowledge? The correct answer is omniscience. What is the one word for state of disgrace resulting from public abuse? The correct answer is obloquy.